Dear students, today I am going to describe you about terminating decimal, repeating decimal without actual division. Exercise 1.4. In exercise 1.4, in this exercise, we have to show that without actual division, find the terminating decimal expansion and non-terminating decimal expansion, repeating decimal symbol. Question number 1. Without actual performing the long division state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal or a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. (13 by 3125). We have 13 by 3125. Factorizing the prime factorization of 3125 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 13 by 3125 बराबर 13 by 5 into 5 into 5 into 13 by 13 here denominator is in the form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m. So the decimal expansion of the decimal expansion of is terminating decimal. We know that if the denominator of a fraction is in the form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n, then the decimal expansion is terminating decimal. Again, 2 number question, 117 by 8 is terminating decimal या non-terminating repeating decimal. To verify this, we factorize the denominator of the given decimal expansion. We have 17 by 8. The prime factorization of 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. So 17 by 8 is equal to 17 by 2 into 2 into 2 बराबर 17 by 2 का पावर q. Here, thus, denominator is equal to thus denominator is in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power m. Hence the decimal expansion of 17 by 8 is terminating decimal. Is terminating decimal. Proved. Again, here we see that after factorization of 8, we find 2 into 2 into 2. So for 8, we can write 2 to the power q is equal to 1 by 2 to the power q into 5 to the power 0. We know that 5 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So, thus the denominator is in the form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n. Hence, the decimal expansion of 17 by 8 is terminating decimal. Now question number 3. 64 by 455. Is it terminating decimal or terminating, non-terminating repeating decimal? To verify this, at first we find the prime factorization of its denominator. The prime factorization of prime factorization of 455 is equal to terminating decimal
फ्री बगल है
या proved. Prime factorization of 1600 is equal to here the prime factorization of 1600 बराबर into 5 into 5 is equal to 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 2. So 15 by 1600 is equal to 15 by 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 2. We see that the denominator is in the form of 2 to the power n denominator is in the form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m. Hence the given rational numbers is terminating decimal. Proved. I am going to solve one more question. Question is 29 by 343. We have 29 by 343. The prime factorization of the prime factorization of 343 is equal to 7 into 7 into 7. Thus 29 by 343 is equal to 29 by 7 into 7 into 7, which is not in the form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n. Hence the given non-terminating repeating decimal repeating decimal proved. In this way, to follow this method, according to this method, we can find any of the rational number which is terminating or terminating. Question number